Welcome back, digital roofers. Dima here from Roofing SEO School, the only place where we plug the leaks in your online presence and nail your website to Google's front page. Today, I'm not just going to give you a ladder. I'm heading over the blueprint to construct a skyscraper of leads. Ready to dominate the digital skyline? Let's talk about the roof repair lead gen route. A path so aggressive, it makes a hailstorm look like a drizzle. It's simple. Build a microsite, a lean, mean lead-generating machine, tailored for one thing and one thing only, roof repairs. Think of it as your business's alter ego. It's still you, but with a mask on, the DBA style, ready to save the day, one leaky roof at a time. In the virtual world, this caped crusader rings at a lightning speed because Google loves a specialist. And here's how we create this superhero identity. Step 1. Name your site with the charm of a keyword spell. Something like Roof Repair Gotham. You get the drill. This isn't just a name, it's a magnet for Google's algorithms. Or let's say your city is Spokane, Washington. You're not just Spokane Roofing. Oh no, you're Spokane Roof Repair Pros. Yeah, you can almost smell the leads.
What's that smell?
Step 2. Optimize like your life depends on it. If you misspelled your sweetheart's name on a Valentine's card, you can forget about that date. Same with SEO. Title tags, meta descriptions, H1 headings. Precision is your love language here. Step 3. Content so optimized it makes NASA look like amateurs. Use tools like Surfer SEO. It's like having Einstein write your content strategy. Everything is calculated. The word count, keyword frequency, the words. And 4, don't stop at the homepage. Build your city pages, blog posts. Show Google that you're the topical authority on roof repair, like a professor on their pet subject. And number 5, backlinks. Not just any, you want the cool kids of the internet pointing to you. They're like your clique, telling Google, yep, this site's legit. Follow these steps and watch your site soar. Oh, and for the keeners, here's an extra credit assignment. Set up a Google business profile with the same name as your microsite. Double the visibility, double the fun. There you have it, folks. Your competition is out there putting up flyers and you're enlisting the whole internet as your canvassing team. To quote Sun Tzu, the supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. In our case, the enemy is obscurity and your weapon is SEO. So go forth and conquer, you digital warriors. And if you need a map in this conquest, drop by Roofing SEO School. We're the Spartans of SEO. And before you click away, remember, in the world of SEO, you're either on the first page or you're invisible. So stay sharp, stay visible, and I'll see you at the top. Peace.